This is Michael Street, Fidelity Home Inspection, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Repair Request Builder. See, our goal is to help our agents to prepare their clients, never scare them. And the Repair Request Builder really helps to show your clients what you're going to request on your addendum, the dollar amounts. It allows the seller to see the problems and the comments from the inspector. It can also see your own notes, and if you've asked for any concessions, it'll total them at the bottom. So it's a really effective tool to help you and your clients even work together and collaborate on building this addendum, and you can do it in about 20 minutes. So let's get started. So this is the end result. You'll get a repair request list that you can download here as a PDF. They're all color-coded with the comments from the inspector. Underneath the photos, you'll have the inspector's info on where the photo was taken. And these are your notes over here. Repair request requested, nails located overhead when entering attic, and you're wanting this repair requested. You go through and ask for different things and in different places, let the seller see them. You can also ask for credits. This you're asking for $450 for the water damage, just as an example. And here's another example. You're adding a credit for something in maintenance item in the report. A low water pressure, there's a problem where low water pressure, as you can see, and there's a repair requested by you, the buyer, with your buyer. Another credit for fixing scale on fixtures. And this one is that you're wanting the plumber to evaluate the drain line. You're just adding your standard message there about you want proof from the plumber that it's been cleared. And then it totals the requested amount at the bottom. It's really easy. You just attach your addendum form to the top of this, and you're ready to go. So backing up a little bit, this is what it looks like on the web version, and you get to that PDF by clicking here, and that's where it takes you to that one. This is just the printout of the work that you've done on this, which is the repair request form. So how you get to this is you're just going to see your report that's sent to you by the inspector. Look through, you'll see that they've been color-coded very nicely. 55 maintenance items, so relatively minor items. You got your recommendations and your safety hazards to focus on. You're just going to press report tools and require repair request builder. This can be done from an iPad, an iPhone, really anything. Press repair request builder, and then it shows up here. You can type in your own notes that you want to show up at the top of the repair request builder. And you just go down here and click which ones that you'd like added to the report. It pulls over all the photos. You can also click just the recommendations and safety hazards, and you can just deal with these, which is a really cool feature if you just want to add the red items or orange items. You can click select all, so if you really wanted to select all these deficiencies, you can select them all at once here. And then as you go through, just as an example, you can press a credit amount for fixing the asphalt repairs here. You can say, I want a repair requested, or I'd like a replacement requested, and then you can add your own notes here as well. Really easy. See? Something simple like that. And that all shows up when you press preview or create. It'll total it here. Then you get this page where all your notes show up, and then you can download it from the PDF by clicking there and just download it. So that's it. Again, my name is Michael Street. I'm the Business Development Coordinator for Fidelity Home Inspection, and my job is to help you help prepare your clients. And there's a bunch of tools that we use to do that. And if you have any questions about that, or you want to ask some questions about repair reports, addendum builders, inspection comparable reports that we can send, you're free to just reach out and give me a call. The office number is 210-405-4504, 210-405-4504, and you can always text me. All right, thanks a lot.